Another idea is to have a pet party. Now you can talk about your pets. You can talk to your pets. You can feed your pets. Num, num, num. Have a pet party. I've seen some amazing pets this week from our students. Chinchillas, snakes, dragons. Have a pet party online. Okay. My favorite idea, though, comes from year 3, and this is it. Have a percussion session with your friends online. Blast away those blues by hitting things repeatedly. Primary steps, do your best. Primary steps, do your best. Have a great weekend. You deserve it. Come back strong like a champion on Monday. Take care of each other. We'll see you. Bye-bye. We still on?